Hi, I'm David with Rapid Materials. Today I'd like to introduce you to S-5 attachment systems designed to attach solar panels, snow retention, and a myriad of other objects to metal roofing. Our friends at S-5 offer the best warranty in the industry, and they'd like to tell you all about it. Enjoy.
At S-5, we have, hands down, the best material and workmanship warranty in the business. Others may offer a 1, 2, or 5-year warranty, and most are limited in their coverage. But S-5 offers a comprehensive 25-year warranty on all products. A system performance warranty is more complete and covers aspects of the products or system. Virtually every snow retention company boasts about product superiority. It's increasingly difficult to distinguish fact from confusing sales hype and empty claims. Only ColorGard from S-5 offers an optional and comprehensive system performance warranty for snow retention. If the system structurally fails, S-5 will replace the entire system, including labor, for 30 years or the life of the roof. That's not an empty claim. It's total written assurance that no other manufacturer can match. S-5 will send an expert to inspect your project and determine that it is properly installed. That's right, we will verify the contractor's work from Maine to California and warrant not only the components but the installed system against structural failure. No one else does this. Why? Our rigorous testing, job-specific engineering, and proven success over 25 years means tens of thousands of systems sold with 0 documented failures when properly installed. That's why S-5 is recommended by most metal roof and metal building manufacturers. At S-5, we believe that products and systems are only as good as the company that stands behind them and their willingness to support you after the sale. That's why we provide the finest after-sale protection in the business. To learn how to obtain your ColorGard system limited lifetime warranty, and for complete terms and conditions of this program, go to the warranty page on our website. So, whatever project or conditions you have, always read the warranty carefully, including our own, and don't leave performance to chance. That's doing business the right way.
Thanks for joining us and learning more about these great S-5 products. Visit rapidmaterials.com to see all of S-5 attachment solutions.